Unlike humans, chickens have many bones and joints in their neck, which makes their necks very flexible and able to withstand sudden movements. In addition to the flexible neck, chickens also have otoliths, small stones in the inner ear that help them maintain their balance. These otoliths work together with the neck mechanism to keep the chicken's head stable even when it moves its body around. Did you know that the stability of a chicken's head has inspired the design of camera stabilizers? The flexible neck of a chicken has inspired designers to create camera stabilizers that can keep the camera stable even when it's moving around.